Hadien baki pulit ka East Khasi Hills, kila kiamya ki arngut ki dkhot ka KSU, South East Khasi Hills, kibala suba ki donkti, ha ka jingshah pyniap ki arngut ki bar jylla ha Ichamati, Bah Prestone tynsong, ubalong Myntri ka kampo ying, ula Kyntu ki Sengbhalang Trai ne Kiwei pat, bakim de ban Tam Pud, ai ba ka an kan le jylla kajong ka kam.
And yes, we have picked up two people from there, and I will not give you all the details since the investigation is on. So let us be little more patient till we reach out to the conclusion. Then only we'll be able to tell exactly what is happening.
What is your message to the NGOs? Because we see here there's a particular group that is involved here. If things tend to go out of control, what is your message? Because
well, the message is very clear. Be it our local NGOs or be it the non-tribal NGOs, so-called. My request and my appeal to all of them is, please don't cross the line. You can't cross the line. Let the law prevail as it is, and the law will not spare to anybody. So I would like to appeal and request all of them to refrain from such kind of incident, which is very, very unfortunate to to everybody. So I would like to request all of them that see the law is above everybody, and from the government side, we'll make sure that let the law takes its own course.
So, like following the incident, there are once again fears that law and order situation. We see some challenges in coming days. So, how do you plan?
No, we all say the challenges are always there, but we are prepared for it. Whatever law and order arises, we are there. We are capable to handle things. And as I said to you, my request is only this: that any concerned NGOs, they should not add fuel unnecessarily to the incident. Because see, I think recently I saw even I don't know, I may call it the fake statement made that they wanted to do this, that, unnecessarily the fuel is added. So I would request all of them, and I warn also, not only request, I warn everybody, don't go beyond the limit of prescribed law, because we are being guided by the law, we are being guided by the rules and regulations.